today's guitar lesson we're looking at how to play Light It Up Like Dynamite by Gavin. Let's take a closer look at those chords. So starting with a bar chord at fret number 4, C sharp minor, we then go down to F sharp minor, up to a B chord, and then drop down to an E chord. So a closer look at these chords: C sharp minor, F sharp minor, B, and then to E chord. I'm going to take my time with the transition of these chords. Drop to F sharp minor, which looks like an E minor chord at fret 2. Go up to a B chord, which is basically an A chord at fret 4, and all the way down to an E chord. Let's take a look at the verse, which is basically the same chords, but they're twice as long. You could count in 4s per chord on the verse. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whereas on the chorus you can hear the difference. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can also play the tune on the chorus here on the guitar. A closer look at those notes. And now the rhythm and the lead played together. And now a fingerstyle version. And now it's your turn to practice. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.